Yo, what's up everyone, it's D, and we're talking about the future of making moves, AI side hustles. Imagine this, you're catching some Z's, you're on that dream vacay, or maybe just deep in your favorite show, and boom, the cash is flowing in. AI is changing the game, and we're not just talking about self-driving cars here, people. We're talking about real opportunities to build passive income streams that work even when you don't. No more grinding 24/7, it's all about working smarter, not harder, so buckle up because we're about to break down 5 game-changing side hustles that are powered by AI, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's get it. Alright, first up, let's talk about AI chatbots. Now, I know what you're thinking. Chatbots? Those things that feel like talking to a wall? Yeah, not anymore, my friend. AI has taken chatbots to a whole new level. We're talking about sophisticated bots that can handle customer service, close deals, and even book appointments for you 24/7, like a digital sales team that never sleeps. Think about it. Businesses are always looking for ways to streamline their operations and boost their bottom line. And that's where you come in. Armed with the power of AI chatbots, you can either create and sell pre-built chatbots using platforms like BotPress, which is kind of like building an app and selling it on the App Store. Or you can offer your skills as an AI agent on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, where businesses are actively seeking out people to build custom bots for them. Here's the beauty of it. You don't need to be a coding wizard to make this work. Platforms like ManyChat and Landbot provide intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces, making it super easy to build powerful chatbots without writing a single line of code. Imagine building a chatbot specifically for real estate agents that can qualify leads, schedule showings, and even answer basic questions about properties. Or a chatbot for fitness coaches that can create personalized workout plans, track progress, and send out motivational reminders. The possibilities are literally endless. So if you're looking for a side hustle with serious potential, AI chatbots are definitely worth checking out. Next up, we're diving into the world of AI art. Now I know some people might say AI art, that's not real art, but hold on a second because AI is just a tool, and like any tool, it's all about how you use it. And when it comes to creating unique designs and turning them into cold, hard cash, AI art is a game changer. We're talking about platforms like MidJourney and DALL, where you can literally type in a description of what you want to see, and boom! The AI generates stunning images in seconds. It's like having a personal digital artist at your fingertips, ready to bring your wildest creative visions to life. And the best part? You can take these AI-generated masterpieces and sell them on platforms like Redbubble, which is awesome because there are zero upfront costs. You just upload your designs, and they handle everything else: printing, shipping, customer service, the whole 9 yards. Or you can tap into the massive marketplace of Etsy, where there's a huge demand for unique and handcrafted goods. And here's a pro tip: leverage trends like vintage AI art to really stand out from the crowd and attract those buyers. But what if you want to build your own brand and have complete control over your business? That's where Shopify comes in. You can create your own online store, upload your designs, and use a print-on-demand service like Printful to handle all the logistics. It's never been easier to go from AI-generated art to a thriving online business. So if you've got a creative side and you're looking for a way to monetize it, this might be the perfect AI side hustle for you. Alright, let's talk about dropshipping. You've probably heard of it, right? It's that business model where you sell products online without actually holding any inventory. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Well, it gets even sweeter when you add AI to the mix. See, AI can automate almost every aspect of your dropshipping business, from finding winning products to writing compelling product descriptions to even running your ads. It's like having a team of virtual assistants working tirelessly behind the scenes, optimizing your business for maximum profits. Let's break it down. Tools like AutoDS and Dropship.io use AI to analyze market trends and identify hot products that are selling like crazy. They even automate the process of listing those products on your store so you don't have to lift a finger. But what about writing those persuasive product descriptions that make people want to click that Buy Now button? Don't worry, AI's got you covered there too. Platforms like Jasper and Copy.ai use cutting-edge language models to generate compelling copy that converts like crazy. Just give them a few keywords and let the AI work its magic. And when it comes to running ads, AdCreative.ai can whip up eye-catching banners and videos in seconds, saving you tons of time and money on expensive designers. So if you're looking for a truly passive income stream that can generate cash flow while you sleep, AI-powered dropshipping is definitely worth checking out. It's a game changer that can take your business to the next level. Okay, let's be real. Creating content can be a grind. Writing blog posts, ebooks, courses, it takes time, effort, and a whole lot of creativity. But what if I told you that AI could take over the heavy lifting, leaving you to rake in the profits? Sounds pretty good, right? Well, that's the power of AI-generated content. With the rise of sophisticated language models like ChatGPT, you can literally turn AI into a content-creating machine. We're talking about churning out high-quality ebooks in hours, publishing daily blog posts without breaking a sweat, and even creating entire online courses with just a few clicks. Let's start with ebooks. Amazon KDP is a goldmine for anyone looking to publish and sell their own books, and with AI by your side, you can crank out those bestsellers in record time. Just give the AI a topic, some keywords, and maybe a few examples of the style you're going for, and watch as it generates chapter after chapter of engaging and informative content. And it's not just ebooks. You can use AI to run a niche blog, covering topics you're passionate about, from travel and food to tech and personal finance. And the best part? You can use SEO tools like Surfer SEO to optimize your content for search engines, ensuring that your blog posts rank high and attract a steady stream of organic traffic. But what if you're more of a visual learner? No problem, you can combine the power of AI with design platforms like Canva to create stunning digital templates that people will love. We're talking about everything from social media templates and presentations to resumes and invoices. So if you're ready to unlock a world of content creation possibilities and start generating passive income from your laptop, AI is the key. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room, YouTube and TikTok. These platforms are absolute giants, and we all know the earning potential is through the roof. But here's the thing, not everyone's comfortable being on camera, and that's perfectly fine. Because guess what? With AI, you don't have to be. That's right, you can leverage the power of AI to create engaging video content without ever showing your face. We're talking about AI video tools like Pictory and InVideo that can turn your blog posts, articles, or even just simple text prompts into captivating videos. Imagine this. You write a killer blog post about the top 10 travel destinations for budget-conscious adventurers. Now, instead of just hitting publish and hoping for the best, you can use Pictory or InVideo to transform that article into a visually stunning video, complete with music, images, and even voiceovers. And speaking of voiceovers, gone are the days of hiring expensive voice actors or cringing at the sound of your own voice. AI voice generators like 11 Labs and Murph can create incredibly realistic voiceovers in a matter of minutes. Just choose your preferred voice, paste in your script, and let the AI work its magic. And once you've created your AI-powered masterpiece, it's time to monetize. So if you've been dreaming of YouTube or TikTok stardom but haven't taken the leap, AI might be the missing piece of the puzzle. So there you have it, 5 AI-powered side hustles that can have you earning while you sleep, travel, or just live your life. And the craziest part is, this is just the tip of the iceberg. AI is evolving at warp speed, and the opportunities are only going to get bigger and better. The key takeaway here is this: the future of income is all about working smarter, not harder. It's about leveraging the power of technology to automate, optimize, and scale your efforts, so you can achieve financial freedom without sacrificing your precious time. See you in the next one. Which hustle will you start first? Drop a comment below and subscribe for more automated wealth hacks.